This video, I'll show you how to use Uniswap with your Coinbase wallet in 2025. So this is perfect if you want to swap tokens or interact with decentralized finance without using a centralized exchange. So if you are using a Android or iOS, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download Coinbase Wallet. So this is not the main Coinbase app. So once installed, open the app and either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. But since we are using a Windows, so visit the official website of Uniswap. So make sure the link should be apps.uniswap.org and the Coinbase. So if you already have an account in here, just simply sign in here. But if you don't have yet, just simply uh, click the sign up and create your account. So assumingly we've finished this process. So on the Uniswap interface, you will see here a converter of crypto to real money. So if you are going to convert Ethereum or Tether, just type the amount you want to um convert. So for example, 200 and then choose a token. So click this die and click this get started. Now you will see here the connect wallet. So click on that and on the right side, you will see here a different options of how you can connect your wallet in Uniswap. So you can download Uniswap directly and you can also scan their QR code. So once you're done with these procedures, you can now ready to swap. So um, simply connect it with the Coinbase and so on. So the transaction may take a few seconds or minutes to complete depending on network congestion. So you can view the transaction status directly in the app. So, for a smooth swaps, always make sure you have an app at for gas fees and double check the token contract addresses if you're swapping lesser known tokens. So you can adjust the slippage tolerance in the settings for more controls. And that's how you use Uniswap with your Coinbase wallet in 2025. So it's easy, quick, and gives you a full control over your crypto swap. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.